To be good in front of camera, you have to practice. And after you practice, yes, it can become naturally after you practice. But it's not just naturally you get that. No. So this is 5 things that can make you feel a little bit more confident in front of camera. By the way, my video, I don't really have a script, and I try to do it. I have a point what I want to say, but I want to try for me to think more for this video. The first one, invisible audience. Sometimes, some of you maybe think like it's a bit awkward, or you feel like a crazy person that you have to talk in front of lens or in front of a camera. It makes you feel like, oh, a little bit cringe talking to yourself. One of the things that you can do is invisible audience, which is you think that you have to imagine that you are talking to your friend, one of your friend. You're talking to him or her, and it doesn't feel like you are talking to yourself. That's one thing that you can do, because some people feel like it's a little bit awkward and cringe to do that, to talking just to in front of camera. But some people like to talk in front of camera because feel more scared to talk in front of other people's. So it's up to you which one that you prefer, that suitable for you. The second one is the 10 video throwaway rule. You have to admit that your first couple of videos, maybe 10 video, your first 10 video will be not good. Okay, will be not good. You have to imagine that you ride a bike or you ride a bicycle. Every person, every kid that try to learn it in their first time, they will never get to balance themselves, try to get a perfect balance to ride the bicycle, to ride the bike. So it's kind of same like this. You have to admit that you're not going to be good at first, but you have to practice, you have to do it again, you have to do it again. Next is you have to deal with the thing that you hate about your voice. Some of people, I think most of the people don't really like to hearing their own voice again, because they feel like, oh, this is what really I sounds like, oh, this is really my voice. So most of the people, or some of people, think like that. So what you can do is you have to hear your own voice again and again. You have to make it normal. You feel like, oh, this is normal, this is your voice. Again, you have to admit that that is your voice. The fourth one, which is the energy gap. When we talk normally, a normal conversation in our daily life, sometimes looks like a boring conversation. So for a video purpose, you have to be a little bit more energetic for you to doesn't sound boring. This is what a research that I find, that we have to be a little bit more energetic in front of a camera, so it doesn't make our video boring. Lastly, you have to focus on the value, not the face, because you don't have to focus on your looks. If you feel confident about that, you can do that. You can or wearing your best shirt, you try to do your makeup and anything, but you have to remember that the important thing is the value. What are the things that you want to talk about in your video? And that is very important. You have to think that value is more important than face, because people watch your video because they want to learn, they want to entertain. You have to focus on the value, what are the things that you want to share. But I'm not saying that you don't have to be prepared physically, but my point is you have to focus on the value, you know. Yes, you can put extra work to look good, to feel good, and anything you can. It's very important for yourself, but you have to remember that the value is more important than the face. So that is why, my background is not a professional looking. I don't even have a mic. I just use my phone. So the value is more important than the face. This is why I do my first video about the procrastination, and I don't want to procrastinate. That's why I do all this thing without a perfect equipment and everything. If you like my video, maybe you will like my next video. Don't forget, share and comment, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.